then, if you haven't already noticed, it's dark. It's dark. This time, I'm on my sen, just because Scoey's been very busy with house, so he's obviously had a new house, so he's been doing all that up. So we haven't been really putting much on. I've been making knives as well. I've been a bit jam-packed over Christmas, and today I just needed to get out, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. It is a little bit windy, mind, but I just need to get out. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm setting up in dark as usual, so yeah, see how this night goes. Today I've got with me my Nature Eye Cloud Peak 2. I've got speaker so I can listen to some tunes later. Little dehydrated meal, a few bevies. What could you wish for? It's a nice view of Crestwall and Bowls of a Klein in background. Probably get you a little time lapse of that later. So yeah, let's get to setting up. Well, I'll tell you what, whew, that were a bit of a doddle. That's the first time I've ever set up in quite strong winds. And wow, that is a tester. In the end I had to strap the tent to my bag to pitch it up. And then I ended up pitching up, hit on a load of sharp nettles, so I didn't want to go there because of the thermarest. So I had to relocate it, put it round a bit, and now I found a spot. I put my bag in the other side because that's the windier side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get all my stuff set up, and then let the fun begin. I can start to wind down. Been a long time since I've done this, so my head's just all over shop. But we should sort me out later. I've only got a few little panda pops. Nice mojito, minty. Might sort my nose out. A bit runny. Got my Thermarest Neo Air X Therm. This is for all the people that don't watch mine and Scoey's channel. Obviously, people who've seen this have already seen it before, so you might get a bit bored of me saying it. So, but yeah. And my bag of choice is my all-time favourite. Nothing special. When I can get it out. Give me it. My One Tiger-S 3-season. That is all you need. But just to be safe, turkey. See this? It's a little microfiber towel. I'll put this down and then put my Thermarest down, just so if anything actually is sharp underneath, it don't actually pop it. Right thing, you filthy animals. How long has it been? Flex tail gear pump, because I'm being lazy today. Just like this. Pump my Thermarest up for me. Off it goes. And here we have my Trekology filler. I don't know if you can see me, like, I don't know what the angle's like. I think you can. It is a bit windy out. It is a bit windy out. I don't think it's supposed to get that cold tonight, so. But you never know with the English weather, do you? Not scared though. Look at this lot. Look at this. Come now, look at this lot. Doesn't that look like the comfiest shit you've ever seen in your life? Might not look it for some, but to me, that is a job well done. That is beautiful. Got your beers. That's sound. Phone's here. Couple of batteries. Job's a salmon. Can't wait. Can't wait for it. Can't wait for it. For now, we're just gonna wind down now and chill out outside. Look at this, look. Look at this. I've shown you before on one of my videos, but I can't get to grips how warm this is for what it actually is. Right. I forgot what it's called. Exactly. Oh, it's here, look. It is. I'm reading it upside down, back to front, left to right, whatever it's called. Hawk's Cot, I think it's called. Hawk and Co. Hawk and Co. That's what it's called. Right, it is down. A little down body warmer, and it folds into its own pocket. Give it a quick fluff, and I tell you what, for what it actually is, it is fairly warm. To say how thin this thing is, it can also be used as a. Right, so here's my pitch up. Sturdy as you like, nice and drum tight, I suppose. See where the wind's hitting that part. So obviously I put one door there, and then the other door that's facing away from the wind. So, but yeah, here's the view. Here is the view. Not much to see, but not bad. Where I am, Jesus, that's bright. Where I am, I'm on somewhere called Cresswell Crags. There's lots of history here. There's lots of... Okay, so I just want to apologise for the wind noise. Basically, what I was trying to say was, I was on top of Cresswell Crags. It is a historical place, and people have found many artefacts and historical things there, and also Robin Hood Cave is there as well. So that is your lot. Time to crack on what it means. Wow. It's not cold. It's not cold, but it's breezy on the old sniffer. Put this away. Put this away. Look. I'm on my last battery for the GoPro because that night lapse, star lapse, whatever you want to call it, has rinsed my battery. And it wasn't even that long. Gripped. But what we've got tonight, we've got some minced beef hot pot. See how this is. I've never tried it before. So, usually minced beef gives me heartburn, so that, including with ciders, that's going to be a chronic night's sleep, that. Absolutely tip top. But yeah, best get to it, haven't we? I suppose. Right, so you'll have to mind me rubbish, but same as usual. 750ml titanium cup. I've got all my cup kit contained inside. I've got my sponge, spoon. I don't even know what you call that. Stabilising device for your gas canister. I've got the BRS titanium stove. I've got my cup as well that goes in there. It's a little collapsible cup. I use that for the morning. And then my little gas can. I'm just gonna pour this in anyway. Pop that on top. Flick them out. Can you see that? Well, it smells nice before I've even put oat in it. I think it says level 12 it's to fill it up to. So we'll do that. That's your 440ml. Get a quick mixer. You know what I forgot to do again? I bet everyone does this. I bet that'd taste nice on a fucking Thursday morning, let me tell you. Beautiful. So allowed to stand for 10 minutes. But it's a hand warmer. For all you people that have got cold hands out there, I know one person, that's Scoey. Scoey gets cold hands, he suffers with his hands. So that'll be a nice hand warmer while you wait for your grub. But I'll bring you back when I'm gonna have this. Ooh. I'll tell you what, I've got a bit, let's turn this on look, so you can see me. So you can see me a bit better. Got a bit of heartburn from the old Copperbergs. Get a bit sickly after a bit, don't they? You reckon? Me and Scoey think they do anyway. Get a bit sickly. But let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. Oh yeah, it's nice and thick now. Obviously you can taste the beef. There's little chunks of beef in there, look. There's the beef, look. As you can see. There's like loads of bits of veg. To be honest, it tastes like beef and mashed tater. I don't know what that's, if it's supposed to taste like that. I don't know. It does actually say dehydrated food, potato with minced beef and vegetables. That's me being stupid. Stupid ass nigga. I can't put that in. Can't put that in. That's racist. That's naughty. But yeah, it's beautiful. Nonetheless, it just could have done with a bit more. I don't know, say pepper or just a bit of a kick. Right, so now I've got full belly, or fullish belly. I can eat, I can, but you know, hey ho. I'm gonna get wrapped up and tucked into bed so I can get up early in the morning, try and catch that sunrise if there is one. So if I don't get bummed by Loch Ness Monster or Black Yeti or something, then I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
I can't fight, don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I can't fight, don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I can't fight, don't let the sun go down. Na 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 na.
So, good morning, campers. Feel a bit lightheaded. Oh, last night's sleep. I was a bit restless, I'm not gonna lie. With this wind noise, I didn't have no earbuds in, so it wore a bit of pain in the arse. I wish I'd have bought some earbuds with me, but I still managed to sleep. It got a little bit more colder at night because of the wind. I could feel the chill coming from underneath this door here. The wind chill were coming through, and obviously because my bag's a free season and it's losing its feathers like wano. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There's lots of feathers down here. There's some on me as well. So yeah, it got a bit more cold, but after I put these on, it wasn't too bad. They were all right. But yeah, there's a feather on there. Tried to get sunrise. Not happening. There's a lot of clouds, but I still got plenty of pictures. It was quite nice. It's just nice to get out, though, isn't it? It's nice to get out. But for now, I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'm not gonna do a brew because I'm like 5 minutes away from my house. So yeah, we'll show you the catacombs, or I don't know, caves, whatever. Show you a few around them. See you soon. Yeah, just to let you know as well, there's absolutely no condensation in this tent. None whatsoever. Probably just because of the wind, like, because plenty of ventilation, but at least I don't have to deal with the condensation, which is a good thing. There's absolutely none whatsoever. Like new, that's what we want. Fresh. Fresh air is free. Get that one in your scoey. Right, so it's supposed to be backpacked. Can't believe we couldn't get a good sunrise. Still loads of clouds. Bit of a shame, but hey ho. Time to pack the lots of real one. That's been laid. Look at that. The sun's just starting to peep through. Hey ho, you can't win them all. Ooh, bit steep. Not done some climbing in a while. There we go. Got tunnels going through. Pretty adventurous. This one looks like it's been falling and stuff. That's what scares me. Look at them. But yeah, they're all cave blocked off, but this cave's going down, which is pretty scary. I'll show you some more. There's another one here. This one looks like it goes deep. There's mats going all the way down. Probably so you don't slip, I don't know. But yeah, not bad. Love to go one day, see what it's like. Don't know what it'll be like. There's a sign down here that says something about a skull or something like that. I'll let you pause that and have a read, because I'm not reading all that. I'm dyslexic as it is. There's a hyena skull and woolly rhinoceros tooth, aged from 50,000 to 38,000 years ago. Yeah, Robin Hood's cave at Cresswell Point. Flint knife blade, 12,500 years old, found in 1969. So this was Robin Hood's cave, was it? Yeah. It's a shame they're all caged off. Got some weird drawings there on that. There's one bit though what I want to check out. I'm climbing over this. There is a deepish hole I want to check out. Some people have been going up here because it's got a path. Ooh. Look at this, look. Oh, just put my stuff there a minute. Ooh. Don't know how deep that goes. Not very, it goes very narrow. But God, looks like a massive rock vagina. Crazy how rock formations work. Look at that, now the hole goes through to the other side. Not bad though. Just gotta be careful on these when it's this time of year. It's a bit slipperidge. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you're in the area of the crags and you've never been, go and have a look. It's probably the third time I've been here, but I've not really took a good venture around, to be honest. But yeah, I recommend it if you're a bit historical, into history. Yeah? Like you do. Right. Pretty interesting camp that, because I've never camped in quite windy conditions. Obviously setting up the tent and everything. Don't get me wrong, it was nice. I enjoyed it. But I think a bit more preparation next time, because it was just up, get stuff and go. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let's get that out, wait a minute. Or maybe not. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Next time I will be out with Scoey. So, yeah. We'll see you in the next one. Comment if you want. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. We love you all. Thanks for your support. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.